Hi everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 25th of September and we're handing out our golden tickets today to some amazing children. And as well, you'll notice as well, we've got nursery joining us for the first time. So it's really exciting for our nursery children. We've got AM and PM. All those children have been working so hard throughout this week. We're going to start with nursery, and obviously there are two children, one for the morning session and one for the afternoon session. This child has settled in well, has been fantastic at lunchtimes and is playing well with other children. Really lovely to see. As well as that, we've got another child in the afternoon who comes to nursery with a big smile on her face, is kind to other children and has been fantastic at tidying up. Thank you so much. The golden tickets go to Phoenix and Nafi. Well done, Phoenix and Nafi. Look at Phoenix smiling away there, playing beautifully there. And there's Nafi with a lovely smile. Well done, girls. Mr. Allen will be coming around and handing these out to you today, so really well done. There's a special treat as well to take home and share with your family. So really well done, girls. Great start to nursery. Really proud of you. Moving on, got reception, and we'll see in Turtle class, look at this. This child's made an amazing start in reception. He is exceptional at following the class routines and his manners are second to none. Seriously, that is just amazing. It's what I want to hear all the time for reception children, using their pleases, their thank yous, and being really polite. Really well deserved. Golden ticket goes to Jack. Here he is. Look at him spiraling in. Look at that lovely smiley face. Well done, Jack. I'm really proud of you, buddy. I'll be coming around in a minute with this with a special treat to take home and share. So proud of you, buddy, and so will your mummy and daddy. Really well done. Congratulations. Moving on. Sharp Glass. Let's have a look at Sharp Glass. Our golden ticket winner for her fabulous perseverance with writing and being so kind, helpful and polite. We've got more children being kind, helpful, polite. It's really lovely to hear that. And this golden ticket goes to Tia. Look at Tia, not only being the star worker, but Tia, you've won the golden ticket. Your sister is going to be so proud of you, and hopefully you'll be able to share your treats that you take home with mummy and your sister. So really well done, Tia. I'm really proud of you. Keep up being so polite and helpful. Moving on, Year 1, look at this. Here we go, Miss Marshall. This child for working very hard in lessons and always does more than is asked of him. Doing more than they're asked of. What brilliant, absolutely superb. And be no surprise, it's Ben. Here he is, look at him. Look at Ben, always got a lovely smile on his face. Really well done, Ben. Here's another golden ticket to add to your collection because I know you've got a few now. I'll be bringing a special treat round as well. Maybe you can share that as well this evening at tea time as well. But really good, polite and kind to everyone. Works hard in lessons and always does more than is asked. Ben has read 5 times, really good. Does that every single week, so really well done, Ben, and well deserved, buddy. Moving on. Here we go, Miss Megan. She has been a focused and hard-working learner. She is a good friend to others and always keen to help. We've got some amazing children in school at the moment who are just helping out non-stop and always helping out. And this child really deserves it. Goes to Marcy, you superstar. Here she is. Look at her. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that handwriting. Beautifully done. Great pencil grip there as well. But actually as well, she's just really kind and helpful and lovely. Really well deserved. I'll be bringing around a treat as well, so hopefully you can share that at tea time as well with everyone at home. Well done, Marcy, you superstar. Moving on. Here we go, Year 2, we're heading into Year 2. Look out, Miss Howkins. This child is always trying her best, listening and following instructions brilliantly. She is always putting her hand up on the carpet and working independently. It's none other than Ruby. Here she comes, look at Ruby, big smile. Ruby, you have always got a smile on your face. It really cheers me up every morning I see you and when you go home. Really well deserved, Ruby. Keep up the brilliant work in Year 2, you absolute superstar. Well deserved. And hopefully again you can share your treats tonight at tea time with your family. Well done, Ruby, proud of you. Fine, in Mrs. Cook's class, look out, Mrs. Cook. Here we go, look at this, summed up with amazing attitude in everything they do. Always smiling and happy to give it a go. I could say no more. It is Olivia, here she comes spinning in, look at her. Big smiley face. Actually down at Forest School as well, they're having a whale of a time. But actually in school, they're reading and they're writing, all of that she's been doing, her maths, she's absolutely a superstar. I know Mrs. Cook is really proud of her. So am I, Olivia. Huge congratulations. I'll be bringing this round later on. Take it home, put it somewhere safe, and then enjoy the treats as well. Well done. Finally this morning, we've got SRB. Now, Mr. Hardman, look at this, he's there already, jumped straight into shot. It's Callum, look at him. Amazing work, growing resilience, superb, worked incredibly hard this week and has been focusing on his work even when he finds it tricky. And he doesn't always find it easy, Callum, but he has been an absolute superstar and persevered throughout. Callum, really proud of you, buddy. Well deserved. We're bringing around some treats as well, which you'll be able to take home and enjoy at home. Huge congratulations, buddy. So fantastic. Thank you. Well done. Finally, again, just obviously well done to all those golden ticket winners this week. Really well done, guys. Keep watching them, keep looking at them, everyone else. Make sure you can then copy them, and then if maybe, who knows, next Friday it might be you winning the golden ticket. So really well done. And finally, again, just from Mr. Allen, just enjoy the weekend, because we're there again, and we'll see you all on Monday, nice and early on the playground. Bye bye for now, everyone.